Hi guys, this is Olivia, and today we're going to be making a gingerbread house for Christmas. So today we have some gummies, we have some M&Ms, some sprinkles, and we have some icing sugar. Ooh, and we have a little surprise in this triangle. So let's open it. So we have this paper inside. Our first one is like a cow thingy? I don't know. Next up is this human. Very cute. Let's open it even more. Ooh. Ooh, and there's another girl or boy. I can't tell. And I think it's the last. A boy. And we have some gingerbread parts. We have, I think it's a rooftop. Ooh, and another one. And we have a tree. And a rooftop. Another thing we have is behind us. Another rooftop. I think it's, oops, it's stuck. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Another rooftop. I think it's for the back. And I think it's the body part of where we put these stuff.
Probably on the side.
Probably on
like
the
a
side.
windows, right?
Okay then, let's get the materials for the icing. Ta-da! So we have the icing sugar, a spoon, 2 bowls, 1 egg, white vinegar, or you could use lemon juice, and a cup. But before we start doing that, remember to wash your hands, and you have long hair like me, it's better to tie it so that it won't fall in your food. Let's start. So, it says right here, we're going to sift 125 grams of icing sugar. Okay, let's open this. Okay then. It says right here that it's 250 grams. It says that we need to use 125 grams, which is exactly half of it. So we're going to pour half of it into the bowl with the white egg yolk. Thank you. I kind of forgot to mention we need to sift it. Sift is where you put the sugar in here and then do this to get all the clumps out. But before we do that, we need the white egg part of the yolk. White part of the egg that doesn't have the yolk. So let's do this. I am so sorry if I'm really bad at this. It's my very first time. So, spoon please. This is why spoons are the best material for this job. Can I have help, please?
Okay.
Thank you for my dad for bringing a light so that we could see it better. And thank you for getting rid of the yolk. It's the yellow part of the egg. So,
hey, Olivia, what are you doing?
Making a gingerbread house.
Oh, can I bake too?
Sure.
Let me get some things. Uh-huh. This is where my mustache was. Where's your mustache, too? Okay, let's get started.
Okay. Okay, then. Is this upside down?
I accidentally did. Sorry.
Okay, so let's get half of this and pour it in. So, I'm going to pour this in here. It's actually very satisfying to do this with a mustache. But, ow, it's not time for that.
Careful.
Now let's sift the sugar. So I put it in and now I'm going to tap it lightly to shake it up and get the sugar inside. Uh-oh, it's overfilling. Do I tap it hard?
Yeah, just tap it. You can figure out.
Okay. So we're going to keep tapping until all the sugar goes down to the egg white.
I think
Here's a good way. Here's a good way. Use a chopstick and grind it down below.
Keep grinding.
It works fast and easy. Just be careful not to spill on your shirt. Okay, I think we're almost done.
Remember
So
to not,
calorie.
remember to not spill like me. Ugh, I'm so messy.
Look at
Professional brownie. Do you think this okay?
Mm-hmm. It's so snowy.
It's like it's raining from the sky.
Mm-hmm. Caw. Just a hack we're trying. Don't mind us. Harder. Harder at first.
Oh, I see the crack. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Annie.
No, you got all over. You are saying sorry to me.
I didn't know. Can somebody give me a plate?
Appa.
Can you just give?
Now we're gonna mix. And also that hack did not work.
Never will and never did.
So we're going to mix it and mix it and mix it until it's a bit like frosting.
Maybe like a little bit creamy would be okay, right?
Uh-huh.
It's turning like slime.
It's a bit
Look,
lumpy.
and junky. Lumpy, junky, dunky.
Donkey.
Dunkin' Donuts.
We'll come back, okay? Now that we're done making the icing,
We had a lot of problems.
we're going to put it in this little bag. Ooh. Okay.
No wonder what will happen.
We'll be back. Now we're going to put icing on the gingerbread house. The final yet very strict stage. So, I believe these are the roofs. And
These are the walls.
yes. So let's start frosting it. We have our frosting bag over here, which we are going to cut. Please.
Sorry,
Just a
you're in
little.
trouble.
little.
Oh, got it.
Yay! Okay, let's start with
If I read, I'll start with the tree.
the tree. I think this is
The trees?
square.
The tree's supposed to be over here, and you see this over here, and that one over here.
So let's start Can you give me the parchment paper, please?
It's a bird.
Here you Thank you.
I'll get mine.
So let's start by putting the wall, the front wall. So I'm going to get the frosting that we got from before and kind of stick it onto the bottom of the roof. It's kind of dripping.
I would rather put it into the holes.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Totally. I totally know what I'm doing.
Not. Shh. She's making a mess. And you didn't.
You try. It's hard.
No, let me do it. Toodle video.
Oh, there you go.
Here you go. Here you go. I'll leave it over here then. Sorry. Toodle miss. How are we supposed to do this again?
So
Don't
I'm adding.
don't make a mess, but make a mess, baby.
So I'm adding tinfoils to the back of the wall so that it can stand on its own because apparently it refuses to stand. And unlike it,
Just like a baby.
ta-da! Now it
This is what
stands.
happens. This is what happens if you let it go. Ta-da! But this, never mind. I don't want to ruin it so bad.
Okay.
Leave behind and stuff.
There we go. I'm gonna go get some more tinfoil.
I don't think I need one. That is what happens. As you see, never mess with gingerbread. Nope, thanks. Okay, actually, I need some. We're having trouble.
Terrible trouble
No luck is on our side.
today.
If you guys have luck on this, please tell on the comments how you do it with it. This sucks. I'm done.
No, you're not. You have to decorate.
Until about I'm done putting the parts on. Ta-da!
Can I have more tinfoil? Start. Ta-da! So, we tried hard. Just let me say something. It did not work. Look how messy we got.
Awkward.
So, if you're going to try this at home,
remember to use your parents again.
we just finished. Ow! We just finished decorating it. This is mine. This is
Mine,
hers.
but she cricket it.
No, I didn't. Anyway, even though it didn't turn out as perfect as we thought it would be, at least we have fun with it. Just a reminder, be careful, because it can get messy. A whole lot messy.
Our dad has to sprint and wash it almost 5 times.
Thank you for watching.